Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to generate a cyber Tamagushi mobile wallpaper using artificial intelligence, and the best part is, it's completely free. First things first, let's open up Chrome. Next, we're going to search for a fantastic AI tool called Styler AI. Now that we're on the Styler AI website, let's begin a new project. Click on New Project to get started. Choose a canvas. Click on Text to Image to describe what you want to create. Sci-fi style, cyber Tamagushi, futuristic, technological, alien worlds, space themes, advanced civilizations. Now it's time to choose a style. Click on Choose a Style and let's start with retro sci-fi. Click Stylize to apply the effects. Alright, let's see how it turned out. Check the results to see if it matches what you had in mind. If you're not satisfied with the first style, you can always try a different one. Let's choose Gothic Punk this time for a darker, edgier look. Once it's done, compare the results and choose the one you like best. Found the perfect style? Great! Now let's place it on the canvas. Select the image you want to use and click Place on Canvas. Finally, it's time to export our masterpiece. Select all the images on the canvas and click Export. Once it's finished exporting, you can download your cyber Tamagushi mobile wallpaper and set it as your background. And there you have it. You've just learned how to generate a cyber Tamagushi mobile wallpaper using AI, all for free. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.